On Ladlad vs. COMELEC. GR number 190582, April 8, 2010. Facts: the COMELEC refused to accredit On Ladlad as a party list organization under Republic Act 7941, otherwise known as the Party List System Act, on the ground that the LGBT sector is neither enumerated in the Constitution and Republic Act 7941, nor is it associated with or related to any of the sectors in the enumeration. On Ladlad is an organization composed of men and women who identify themselves as lesbians, gays, bisexuals, or transgendered individuals or LGBTs. Issue: whether or not there is legal basis for COMELEC's refusal to accredit On Ladlad as a party list group. Held: no. There is none. The Supreme Court held that the respondent mistakenly opines that ruling in On Bagon Bayani stands for the proposition that only those sectors specifically enumerated in the law or related to said sectors, labor, peasant, fisherfolk, urban poor, indigenous cultural communities, elderly, handicapped, women, youth, veterans, overseas workers, and professionals, may be registered under the party list system. The enumeration of marginalized and underrepresented sectors is not exclusive. The crucial element is not whether a sector is specifically enumerated, but whether a particular organization complies with the requirements of the Constitution and Republic Act 7941. The Constitution provides in Article 3, Section 5 that, "No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof." At bottom, what the Non-Establishment Clause calls for is government neutrality in religious matters. Clearly, governmental reliance on religious justification is inconsistent with this policy of neutrality. There was grave violation of the Non-Establishment Clause for the COMELEC to utilize the Bible and the Quran to justify the exclusion of On Ladlad. Moral disapproval, without more, is not a sufficient governmental interest to justify exclusion of homosexuals from participation in the party list system. The denial of On Ladlad's registration on purely moral grounds amounts more to a statement of dislike and disapproval of homosexuals, rather than a tool to further any substantial public interest.